Here in the Bay Area, looks like we won't be able to take off our masks indoors anytime soon. Bay Area health officers have announced a set of guidelines to allow counties to lift the requirement to wear masks indoors. KTVU's Allie Rasmus live this noontime to bring us up to date on the timeline here. Allie.
Well, Gussie, as one Bay Area health officer stated this morning, it's looking like vaccinated adults will need to keep their masks on indoors until December, possibly even afterwards. Now, here's why. Today, health officers with Bay Area counties and the city of Berkeley put out a list of the requirements counties need to meet in order to drop the indoor mask mandate. COVID cases in the yellow or moderate tier as defined by the CDC. They have to stay that way for 3 weeks. Another criteria, hospitalization rates must be low and stable as defined by that county's health officer. And this may be the most important criteria. More than 80% of the total population in that county must be fully vaccinated in order to drop the indoor mask mandate. Now, total population includes kids ages 5 to 11. Kids in that age group, as we know, are not yet eligible for the COVID vaccine. So if counties don't reach that 80% total vaccination rate for the full population, then masks can eventually come off 8 weeks after that COVID vaccine is authorized for kids ages 5 to 11 years old. Now, the FDA's next scheduled meeting to consider whether to authorize the vaccine for kids is October 26. So add 8 weeks after that, and we're in December already. That's likely how long we will continue to need to wear masks indoors, even if we are fully vaccinated.
That is a reasonable projection based on our current trends. So we may be looking at December or maybe even January, depending on the timing of the FDA authorization.
In most Bay Area counties right now, the vaccination rate of the total population, including kids, is around 70%, give or take. Santa Clara County Health Officer Dr. Sarah Cody explained that the focus over the next couple of months will be to get children in the county vaccinated for COVID. And the more kids that do, once it's authorized, the sooner the masks could come off.
175,000 5 to 11-year-olds. So that's the size of the population that we anticipate will become newly eligible for vaccination.
Now, the only county that is doing something different is San Francisco. According to their information, they put out a statement saying that on October 15th, people will be able to drop the masks indoors if they are in places where kids ages 12 and under are not allowed. So fitness centers, also gyms, bars, and some nightclubs and offices. But that's just San Francisco doing that. None of the other counties that are part of this statement issued today in this announcement are doing the same. But we'll continue to follow the latest developments on this story online. My colleague Jesse Gary will have an update on what other Bay Area health officers are saying about this new metrics and this new system for determining when to forgo that indoor mask mandate. We'll have that in our later newscast. Mike and Garcia, back to you.